Hey folks, today we're going to show you how to reverse the mag button on the new push button style VP pistols. So there's a few out there now that have a push button style as opposed to that European style paddle release. It's not completely ambidextrous, but it is reversible, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to reverse that button. All you really need is a screwdriver with a relatively narrow tip. I'm going to use a punch here, and you might even need a pair of needle nose pliers. I'm going to show you with those tools once so we can just get down in there and you can see what I'm doing. But really all you need is the screwdriver in your hands to do this. So the first thing you want to do is remove the slide. And now if you look down inside, you'll see there's this black tab right here, and it's got a little barb on it. And underneath that barb is this metal plate. So what we want to do is push this out of the way just enough that I can get my screwdriver in there and elevate that metal plate. Now I can push this magazine release all the way out. And you'll see when you look at the mag button that one side has that triangular camming surface on it, and that's the side you want to actuate. So that's the side, if I want to press from the left, I want that camming surface on the left. If I want to push from the right, I want that camming surface on the right. So let's flip it around to the right. And what I like to do on this is actually hold the gun in this vertical position, because that button kind of wants to fall into the mag well as you're putting it in there. So this helps, gravity gives you a little help on getting that in there. So I've placed the mag button back in the desired position. Once I get that in there, all I want to do is kind of wiggle that piece back and forth as I'm pushing down on the plate, and it'll seat right back inside. You want to make sure you're under that barb right there. So as you can see, we're good right there. Now let me show you real quick. If you do pull up too far on that plate that it comes out, not the end of the world. As you can see, there's this slot right here that just needs to fit down in. So you, with the mechanism to the rear of the gun, I'm going to use pliers here just so you can see what I'm doing, but you could probably do this with your fingers as well. So there you have it. It's that simple. You're ready to reassemble the slide assembly back on the gun, and you're ready to shoot with the button in the other position. If you do have one of these push button models, there's a supplement in your owner's manual that'll show you how to do that. If you don't have that, a copy of that, there is a PDF on the HK website at hk-usa.com.